Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a welcome bot to Discord server. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. I can open Chrome. After opening the Chrome, you can just simply tap on the search bar, and now you can just simply search Araki bot. You can just simply search for the Araki bot, and now you can just simply tap on the first link, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on invite Araki Discord bot, and after a few seconds of loading this page will be open. You can now tap on continue, and now you can tap on authorize, and now you can tap on confirm. After a few seconds of loading, the Araki bot will be added to your Discord, and now Araki has been authorized and added to Exuberance Lab servers. Now you can go to the server, and here you can see the Araki bot is added to your server. You can just simply write a message. You can write first slash and here welcome space enable and send it. And this is the way you can add a welcome bot to Discord server. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.